Box model is one of the most important part of the entire CSS. Box model represents how your web page actually looks and feels like. So let me show you an example. So what I have done is that I've created a CSS style. I'm going to link that, say link relative to say control and spacebar, and we have CSS and style.css. So let me create a simple box model. I'm going to create a div, and inside that let's add some lorem. Okay, so let me just move this, and in my CSS I'm going to say that div has a margin of 25 pixels, it has a padding of 15 pixels, and it has a border which is 2 pixels, and it is in solid, and the color of the border is going to be orange, and I want the background color to be in crimson color, and I want the font, whatever the font inside it is, to be in white color. So let me save this, and if I get back to my document, so let me copy this path and let's get back here, paste it and hit enter. Okay, let me give some width. I'm going to go to my CSS and let's add some width. I'm going to say the width has to be around 450 pixels, and height I want it to take it automatically, so that's fine. And if I get back, okay, let me add some font family also. I'm going to add it as sans serif. Save that. If I get back to my browser and hit refresh, okay, so this is what I have. So now if I right click here and click on inspect element, you will get this developer tools. You can access this by simply right clicking and clicking on the inspect element. You can see I'm kind of inspecting the div tag, so you can directly inspect anything you like. Just right click and click on inspect, and that will get you it. So if you're doing this the first time, you will see something like this. So everything's going to be on the side, so you need to get it to the bottom. So click here and click on this one, so that's going to get it to the bottom here. I have selected my div tag. Now you can see there's a lot of highlighting going on. So if I scroll down over here, this is my box model. See, so you can see here the blue highlighting is actually my main content. This is the padding, and this is the border which I have given, and this is the margin. So basically you can say that the content here, what we have is actually the main content what you have written. Padding is basically we are increasing the size of the entire content, so we are giving some mass to it. Border is more like a skin, we are adding a edge border more like a wall, and margin is a space, it's a blank space between any object.